Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to go over the must-do deals for CVS for you guys next week. So these deals are going to start on Sunday and go through the following Saturday. There are a ton of easy deals going on that you don't need a ton of CRTs for, which is awesome. So very beginner friendly if you're new to couponing or new to couponing at CVS and you don't have a ton of CRTs to work with. There's still some amazing savings going on next week. All you have to do is grab one of the newspapers with the PNG and the Smart Source, or of course you could win it from me in my giveaway going on right now on my Instagram, Bree the Coupon Queen, and on my video yesterday of my second CVS haul. So I will have that linked in the description box if you haven't checked it out yet. Did some more amazing deals and you can enter in that giveaway. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, of course, take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I do post the winner on Sunday, you guys will be notified. And if you're the lucky winner, you won't miss out on the prize. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. This first deal, if you have not used that instant coupon from the current week that printed at the red box, you're gonna wanna hold it because L'Oreal Elvive is gonna be on sale next week. Buy two, get a $4 extra buck. So prices do vary. Mine online show $4.49, in store they're $4.99. Some places may be as expensive as $5.19, $5.29. It just depends on your region, so make sure you adjust your math accordingly. If you use that 3 off of 2 instant coupon from the current week, I put previous week because this is talking about next week, but anyway, it gets me a little confused. Then if you use the 3 off of 2 coupon from the 6/28 Retail Me Not insert, you'll pay $3.98. Get back a $4 extra buck, making it completely free. And the $9.98 will track towards CVS Beauty. Speed Stick deodorant next week is going to be on sale. When you buy two, you're going to get a $3 extra buck, and they are 2 for $6. So the men's and the women's are included. You can mix and match or get two of the same. There should still be 50-cent printables from the website. If you just Google speedstick.com coupons, you can print off 2 of them. It works on either or. And if you have a 2 off of 2 deodorant CRT, you can definitely add that in with this deal. You'll pay $3, get back $3, making it completely free. I don't have that CRT. A lot of times when this deal goes out, they'll send out like $2 off Speed Stick deodorant CRT or something like that. So we still have time to wait and see what CRTs we get for next week and see if we can add those in. Without it, your final cost would be $2 for 2 or just $1 per deodorant, which is still a great, great deal. Poise and Silhouette if you're needing to stock up on some feminine products, or of course if you're looking for a good donation item. They are $5.99 next week. These are for the pads or the Depend, the 11 to 13 count. So we got a $3 coupon. There is a digital, or you can use one from the 6/28 Smart Source insert. You'll pay $2.99, get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost 99 cents. And because there is the digital version, this is another great deal that anyone can do. Just make sure that obviously you have a CVS rewards account. Clip that digital coupon, and when you check out, your final cost will be 99 cents when rolling a $2 extra buck. So what I mean by rolling is if you have a $2 extra buck and you use it, then you'll only pay 99 cents. You'll get the $2 extra buck back anyways. Playtex. They are buy one, get one free. Some nice Ibotta rebates for this one as well. So they're going to be spend 12, get a $3 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. Carefree and Stay Free are also included. We are also getting a 3 off of 2 send to card coupons. So not sure which one that's going to work for. I'm just assuming it'll work for all of them, or Playtex, we'll have to see. But the deal I put together, with them being buy one, get one half off, is grab one of the Playtex Sport 36 count tampons. They're $9.49. And one of the 18 count tampons, they are $6.29. So that one will wind up being half off at $3.15. Now your total is $12.64. Because remember, we have to spend at least $12 to get back that $3 extra buck. Using that 3 off of 2 digital, no CRTs or anything like that. If you have like a 2 off of 2 feminine care CRT, 3 off of 12 feminine care CRT, anything like that, of course, you can definitely add that with this deal for an even better deal. Without any CRTs, you'll pay $9.64, get back a $3 extra buck, submit to Ibotta for $2 back each. It is a limit of 2, so we're going to submit with that quantity, getting back $4. Your final cost is $2.64 for both, or $1.32 each. If you're new to Ibotta, here is my code. Definitely get it downloaded. It is a great, great app. And when you put in that code, you will also get a welcome bonus. I do Ibotta hauls every single week. They always have additional bonuses for doing rebates. And that is probably the main app that I use besides Fetch Rewards to get back a ton of cash. And it is actually cash back, which is what I really like. You can send it right to your PayPal. Coppertone sunscreen. I want to share with you guys as many sunscreen deals as possible so we can all stock up for being out in the sun, especially 4th of July weekend. So they are going to be buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get a $5 extra buck. This little down arrow means there's going to be a send to card coupon. They're just not telling us what it's going to be or what dollar amount, so we'll have to wait on Sunday and see. What you can do is grab 2 of the Coppertone Kid Sports. It's the spray. I believe it's 50 SPF. They're $8.29. Second one will be $4.15. You'll use a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got in the 628 Smart Source. If you have any sunscreen CRTs or anything, definitely use that. I haven't gotten any. I've never seen them, so I'm not sure what the values would be. You'll pay $7.44 without any CRTs. Get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost $1.22 each, which is so amazing to go from $8.29 all the way down to $1.22. Again, another very beginner-friendly deal because there's no CRTs being used. If you have CRTs and you use them, of course, it would make it an even better deal. Crest mouthwash, I have 2 different versions here for you, one with CRTs and one without. The 1 liter, this is the large bottle, will be on sale next week for $4.79. When you buy one, you're going to get a $3 extra buck. It is a limit of 2, so if you wanted to do the deal twice, you can. These scissors here in the ad means we're getting dollar off coupons in our Sunday insert, or most Sunday inserts. Of course, regions do vary. So what you can do is grab one of them at $4.79. Use a dollar off coupon we're getting in our July P&G insert. You'll pay $3.79, get back a $3 extra buck, making it just 79 cents for a huge bottle of mouthwash, which is awesome. If you have a dollar off mouthwash CRT, then you'll pay $2.79. Get back that $3 extra buck, making your final cost free and a 21-cent moneymaker. Again, it is a limit of 2, so if you have like a 2 off of 2 mouthwash CRT, you can just grab 2 of them, do the deal at the bottom. You would use the 2 off of 2. You would pay whatever $2.79 times 2 is. You'd pay $5.58, get back a $6 extra buck, making your final cost free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Okay, now I have a quick breakdown for you for the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal. There are a ton of items included. Just depends on what you guys are looking for. So this is one scenario that I put together. You can grab one of the large Tide liquids. You could buy the pods as well if you prefer. They're going to be $11.94 next week. And one of the Tide liquid, the 37 to 40 ounce, they are $5.94 next week. And 3 Pantene, they are 3 for $12. Now, if you see over here in the little photo, there is the red box machine. I know a lot of you guys have been saying your red boxes are still down. The only thing I could suggest with that, as usual, is talk to the manager there, let them know, hey, right in the ad, it's showing I'm supposed to save $2 when I buy 3. I'm buying 3, your red box is down, you know, what can we do to be able to offer the same pricing? See if they can honor it and just give you like a $2 extra buck to use in that deal, or if they can take the $2 off, you know, just see, work with them, try to go to a CVS that likes couponers and is nice and helpful. So you can grab all of these. If your store follows the 98% rule, then your total will be $29.88, which is close enough to $30 where you'll still get the $10 extra buck. If not, you can add one more item. There are some assorted seasonal items here starting at $2.99, so you can always throw one of those in for you guys as well. So to continue that, these are the coupons and CRTs you're going to want to use. $3 Tide coupon from the July P&G insert. There may be some digital still that we had clipped. I haven't checked the expiration dates, so just check your coupon folder, see if you have any digitals that you can still use. A $2 Tide from the July P&G, a 3 off of 15 laundry CRT, a 5 off of 3 coupon from the July P&G for the Pantene. I forgot to write that in there. The $2 off of 3 instant coupon for the Pantene, and a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT if you have it. That is going to come out to $18 of coupons. So again, your total was $29.88 with the scenario that I showed you. The coupons are $18, leaving your cost to pay out of pocket $11.88. You can always use extra bucks to pay. You'll still get the extra bucks back. It's not like Walgreens where it's kind of finicky and weird. Super easy at CVS. So your final cost is $1.88 for all 5 items. Of course, you can submit your receipt. Sometimes the pggoodeveryday.com website is weird and it like doesn't accept your receipts. It's a newer program, so I'm sure they're working out the kinks and the bugs. But you can submit all of these on one receipt and you will get back 250 points. So how that program works, it's 50 points per P&G item, up to 250 points per receipt. And if you do this deal, you would have 5, that would be 250 points. So 150 points equals $1, so that's about what, like $1.80 or something that you would be getting back, making this 8 cents for 5 items. They only have a couple gift cards that you can cash out for, like 6 of them, and they're all like food places. I think they have like Dunkin', a couple. Panera maybe was on there. I'm not sure. Hopefully they'll add more or have PayPal be an option. That would be awesome. Or, you know, a gift card to stores or something like that. They're also adding destinations. It says like things to do and activities. It says coming soon. So I'm sure they'll launch that, but probably after the whole coronavirus thing dies down. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. Let me know. If you haven't entered in my giveaway yet, click on this video in the top left-hand corner. That is the video that you have all of the details on how to enter so you can win some inserts, including the Tide in the P&G on Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.